FilterEasy protects your investment by solving the problem of getting tenants to change their air filters on time. They keep tenants happy by delivering directly to their front door the exact size and number of air filters that need to be changed at the exact time they need to be changed throughout the entire lease period. There is no longer a need for tenants to first remember to change the air filter and second, search at the store, which saves them time and money. By providing your tenants the right filters at the right time, resident compliance will increase, resulting in a decrease of heating and cooling bills, as well as costly HVAC repairs and replacements. When HVAC systems are properly taken care of, tenants are happier, and you, the property owner, save money. FilterEasy generates a behavior change amongst tenants, making those goals more attainable with its air filter subscription solution.